Hi, my name is Sydney Reynolds, and this is my service learning project. For my service learning project, I chose to help out the Mount Pleasant Cheer program. The goal for this program over the past couple years was to start a middle school cheer team. This project helped get middle school students interested and involved in cheerleading. Why is this important to me? The Mount Pleasant cheerleading program has made a lasting impact on my life. When I was younger, I said I was never going to be a cheerleader in my entire life, but here I am, 7 years later, a 4-time national champion with Davenport University, and I couldn't imagine my life without it. This program has given me nothing but love and support throughout these past 7 years, so I would love to give back to this program and watch it explode with amazing talent. My plan was to get middle school students interested in cheerleading. The cheer program at the high school has struggled the past couple years to get new athletes in the door and interested, and by getting the middle school students, such as the 8th graders, interested in cheerleading, we wouldn't have to go looking for people to be on the team and begging people to at least try out sideline season. Also, getting the students active and physically active will help the whole program become stronger, and it will also help them learn good techniques when we will learn how to stunt and things like that. This also gives the students another fun after-school activity to be a part of. So my actual project was based around open gyms. And open gyms are a fun and relaxed environment to work on new skills, new stunts, and to learn material that you may need at, say, tryouts or at a game or something like that. At open gyms, there is no stress whatsoever, and I believe that they are a great thing to have for people who are interested in cheer because there's no commitment. You don't have to come to open gyms, but they're a great place to learn and feel out the sport. So I would hold these open gyms 3 times a week for 5 weeks on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays for about an hour. Here we worked on the basics of cheerleading, such as jumps, motions, stunts, and basic tumbling skills. How I spread the word: I asked the head coach to make posts on the Mount Pleasant Cheer Facebook and Instagram pages. On these pages are a lot of families who have students in middle school. So to get them involved and to spread the word, I asked her to post on Facebook and Instagram, and it worked pretty well. I also asked the head coach, to tell her students about it in her class. She is actually the 8th grade English teacher at the middle school, so that helped out a lot by having her involved with the students directly while I wasn't able to, and talk them into maybe just coming out and trying open gyms. So my results were, for the first couple open gyms, there were a few girls who joined. They were kind of iffy at first. They brought more friends with them in the next few weeks. And overall, most of them enjoyed it and would like to learn more and would like some more open gym sessions as well. So I will get a hold of the head coach and see if we can set some things up for this summer. The social science discipline that this service learning project relates to is sociology. Sociology is the study of society, patterns of social relationships, social interaction, and culture of everyday life. The reason why these go hand in hand is because it is a group of kids that are interested or could possibly be thinking about trying out. Inclusion, we include anybody who would love to be a part of this program. Socialization, there are kids that may not be able to speak with other kids during the day, so this gives them another chance to socialize with other classmates. And also engagement, we do a lot of hands-on activities and hands-on stunting and tumbling and things like that at open gyms, so I think that sociology would be a great social discipline for this project. But that is it. Thank you for watching and listening to my service learning project. Have a good day.